my channel. So you just saw how I customized this gorgeous unit right here. This unit is courtesy of ISee hair. Yeah, I believe it's ISee hair. And so they were kind enough to send your girl this deep wave unit right here in 22 inches. And y'all, if I'm just being completely honest, I didn't think that this was going to wow me, okay? Only because I received this same exact unit from a different company, but it was actually 250% density. And I think this one, I'm actually not sure. They didn't give me, I don't think, the link to it. But if I had to say, this is probably like 180% density. So I just know myself, I like a lot of hair just because, you know, I just like to be extra here and there. And so I was like, oh, this is probably not going to be the one that I love. However, when I put this unit on, if you guys saw when I originally put the unit on and I started to like rake my hands through it, I saw all of the potential, okay? I was like, okay, this thing has body. All I needed to do was to rake my hands through it, and look at all of this volume that came, y'all. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, I decided to just give you guys all natural. So I showed you guys how I customized this unit. I've showed you guys this plenty of times, but if you guys wanted to know, then there you go. I didn't do too many baby hairs. I did have to cut baby hairs because they didn't come with the unit. I just cut the lace to my liking for my size head, and then I just created the baby hairs along the perimeter. And so yeah, you guys can't tell me that this hair is not growing out my scalp. I know it's on camera, but I don't think you can see any of the lace. As you guys know, I do use my foundation to blend the lace into my skin complexion. And so yeah, I absolutely love it. Hopefully you guys love it. Thank you ISee hair for sending me this unit. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.